Sit. Just slowly. And we're gonna. Okay, don't let it loose. But get it in. No, don't crank it. Fight it. Let it, if it pulls, then kind of like, all right. Give it some line. Okay, bring it in. Okay, it's not massive. Don't let it jump. Bring it in. No.
Okay, big boy.
Okay, Henry, set it over here. Now, let out. You reeled it in a little too much. Look at this unhooked. Oh, that's a tank. It's a good 3-pounder, easy. That's probably more. All right, guys. We caught one from the bridge. Make a face. Okay. Let Henry hold it and we'll go. Hey, we're gonna go fishing. We're about to go. A few days ago I was here and I caught about a pound of a sunfish. That's actually my personal best, so I'm gonna go for some panfish off of this bridge right here, and hopefully I can hook up with a few nice panfish. Maybe if a catfish bites, it'll be some extreme chaos. All right, I know you can't tell, but it's just way too freaking windy for me to fish here. It's actually kind of dangerous. My fishing line is going sideways. It's so windy up here. There is a fish and it keeps taking my bait, so I may have to use a smaller bait. But on a bobber, it's getting pecked pretty hard there. Whatever it is, it may not be big enough though, because it's not actually committing. Oh, look at this. Whoa, that's a pretty big green sunfish. Whoa, look at that. It's a beautiful looking fish. Oh, shoot. Ding it with some of this. Ah. Oh, it just peed on me. Ow. So my hat fell off because of the wind. I caught it back. It's all wet.